To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the official WordPress website. When the page loads, focus on the top right corner where you will find an option to log in. This initial step is essential because it allows you to access your account and begin managing your website. Simply click on the login button and prepare to move forward in the process. After clicking login, you will be presented with several options for signing in. In this tutorial, you will be using your Google account to access WordPress. By clicking on the option that says Continue with Google, you enable a smooth and efficient login experience. This method leverages your existing Google credentials, which eliminates the need to remember an additional username or password. It also simplifies the authentication process so you can concentrate on editing your website. Once you have selected Continue with Google, you may be prompted to choose the specific account you wish to use if you have multiple Google accounts. Choose the one associated with your website management experience. This selection finalizes your login and opens up the WordPress dashboard where further steps can be executed. Upon successfully logging in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. In the Quick Links section, observe the Edit Site button that is readily available. Clicking on Edit Site takes you directly into the editing mode of your website. This is the area where you can modify content, change layouts, and add new features to enhance your site's appearance and functionality. Now that you are in the editing environment, it is time to begin customizing your site by adding new elements. Direct your attention to the top left corner of the interface where you will see a plus icon. Clicking this plus icon opens a menu of various components that you can add to your page. Each element is designed to help you build a richer and more engaging user experience. After clicking the plus icon, a search bar will appear to help you locate the feature you want to add. In this instance, type the word Excerpt into the search bar. As you type, the system will quickly filter through available options and display the Excerpt feature among them. Once this component appears on your screen, click on it to add it seamlessly to your website. This functionality lets you include a small summary or preview of content, which is an effective way to draw your visitors' attention. With the Excerpt feature now present on the page, you have the opportunity to insert the desired content into it. Enter your text carefully, ensuring that your excerpt is both concise and informative. The excerpt should provide a brief yet appealing snapshot of the content that follows on your website. Taking the time to craft a well thought out excerpt can enhance visitor engagement and improve the overall reader experience. Finally, once you have inserted your excerpt and reviewed the changes, direct your attention to the top right corner once again. There you will find the Save option. Clicking Save is a critical final step because it secures all your modifications, ensuring that your new excerpt is properly stored on your WordPress website. With this action, your website is updated and the excerpt is now part of your published content.